guys? How ready are you guys? Ready, Pep students? Ready. Who they here? So we're gonna look at perimeter area, unit cost. No, perimeter area, volume, total surface area, and then unit cost. Last. Let's go. So it's a revision exercise. Hit the like button as you forward on, guys. Hit the like button as you forward on. Tina Davis, what's up? You doing the prep tomorrow? Let me know if you are doing the prep. Share it to your classmates before we even begin, guys. Just share it so others can come on. Hit the like button so more people can come on and all of that. Alright, so I'm going to cater for everyone. I could have been doing a Zoom class with my students, but I say, you know what? I want everyone to, all of us to revise. All of us is going to go to Campion, Immaculate, Arden, St. Diego, Clarendon College. All of us gonna go to the same school. So we're just gonna work together. Yeah man, big up guys. Shoshana, big up. Oh, you don't leak me from with you. You know, I'm WhatsApp again. I want to go on. Now treat me bad, you know, guys. More time, I'm busy. Cause you know it go already. I have my PEP students, them. I have my C6 students, them. So I tend to just put in a lot of work. But just know, say, all of my friends and my family, I love and rate to know, alright? Selena, big up, guys. Alright? Guys, you can type in school and choice to, you know. So we're going to look on perimeter, area, volume, total surface area, and unit cost. I want to pay special attention to volume and total surface area. Number of my new students said they have never done it at their school. So, Herbert Morrison, yeah, big up man. St. Hilda's. Alright, thanks. Somebody said they love your work. Yeah man, thanks a lot. I appreciate it, guys. I appreciate it. Without you guys, it wouldn't make sense. Alright? So guys, let's go. Let's share it to your friend, guys, because we are going to do some work tonight. We have to cover all of them topics there, one by one. Alright? So the first one is perimeter. And for your performance task, it's very highly likely that you'll get a perimeter, area, one of these that is listed, or all of them can come in place. Alright, Williams. Me know it go man, me know. Alright, so perimeter means the total distance around. So we have to get the basic first before we start. And enclose shape or figure, meaning it have to close. So we can't find the perimeter of this, but we can't find the perimeter of this. Because this have a space. So we can't find the perimeter for this. So we could start off with the rectangle. Alright? So that's the definition. Total distance around and enclose shape or figure. So let us look at the rectangle first. Like how we start with that. And persons find the circle one to be the most challenging one in this. So guys, I want you guys to find the perimeter or the total distance around for this one if the length is 9.5 centimeters and the width is 2.5 centimeters. What would be the perimeter of this rectangle? Hope you guys share it. I'm trying to share it too because you know I want many people to come on and can do a complete revision. Everyone should be ready for tomorrow. There's no need to panic. Mr. Bennett has never neglected any one of my students, whether PEP, whether CSEC, whether City and Guilds, whether grade 5, whether grade 4. Alright, so you say we brother want to go KC, but you want to go to Arden. Dacian Williams, that's one of my students. Welcome, Dacian. Let's see if she's correct. But Dacian, you used to send the link, but you have the link already, man. Alright. So let's see. So everyone is saying 24. So what we know that the opposite sides are equal. So this side will be opposite to this side. So this side would be 9.5 also. And this side would be 2.5. Guys, why do think we'll make a mistake? Let's go. So we have 9.5 plus 9.5. 9 and 9, 18, and 1, 19. So this will be 19, and we'll add 2.5 and 2.5, that gives us 5. So we just add 5 to that, which gives us 24 centimeters. What if you got a worded one? Listen to this worded question. Write it. So we add perimeter now. Listen to this. What is the perimeter of a square with length 8 centimeters? And another worded one. What is the length of a square if the perimeter, so it's a two-way question, is 25 centimeters. So I'll answer one first. Let's call this one A and this one B. So answer A, put your answer. B, put your answer. Alright, so I'm seeing 32 centimeters. So that's for A. What about the next one? What is the length of a square if the perimeter is 25 centimeters? Hey John, you sure is that? You sure is 100? Read B carefully, guys. You guys sure it's 100 for B? Read it very carefully. So tomorrow for your exam, guys, I want you guys to read it very carefully, alright? That is not quite correct. Check again, guys. Check again. I say 6.25. Yeah, that is correct now. Alright? So we're going to go through that solution. Bear with me in mind, guys. I'm not going to keep you guys extra late, but we're going to go through everything. Alright? As you guys have to get rest too. So we know that once is the perimeter we're looking for, we add. So it's 4 equal sides, so it's 4 times 8 centimeters, which is indeed 32 centimeters. Very good. Alright? But with this one, it gave us the perimeter. It means that when we add up all the 4 sides, it already gives us 25. So we add this, it gives us 25. But since we know that all of it is the same, we can simply just divide by 4, because it has 4 equal sides. 4, 6, 24, remainder 1 over 4, or, I see everyone gave me 6.125, That is also correct. So you can give them in decimal, and don't forget a unit. That one would be centimeter. Rodian Brooks. That's the head girl, right? Big up, big up, big up. Alright guys, so we look at the we're gonna look at the triangle now, and then we look at the circle. Somebody can type in the comment section what's the special name given to the perimeter of a circle. Some persons it have a special name. Who can write that in the comment section? What will be the perimeter of this triangle with length? Alright, Dacian, circumference. Very good. That is correct. It's the circumference. Gabriel Brown. Big up, big up. Otakaku, Buka, Kim Lewis. Big up, big up. Welcome, guys. Guys, remember to share it, alright? Alright, somebody says, sir, I don't understand. Alright, so I'm going to go through it slowly, because that's the aim. We want everyone to understand. Okay, someone said they just joined. Share it, guys. Welcome, welcome, everyone. So I'm seeing 84 centimeters. Guys, I'm going to go through it, man. Just be patient. I'm seeing 56. Mr. Griddy say hello. Hello, Mr. Griddy. Welcome, welcome. Alright, guys. Let us go back. 56, 50. I see a lot of 56. Selena, oh, you got 84. Rody and Brooks say 54. Tony. Adriel says circumference. Okay. Alright guys, so what we're doing, what the perimeter means, we add up all the sides. We're going all the way around. So we start at this point right here, and we're gonna go so. So we go so, we cover 25 centimeters. If we go from here to here, we cover another 24. So we're adding them. And to get back right up to this point, we add our next 7. So we add the length of all 3 sides, and that will give us the perimeter, because the perimeter means the total distance around an enclosed shape or figure. So it's all the way around, and we can just add that. That gives us 49 plus 7, which is indeed 56 centimeters. So very good, guys. We're going to do another one, because some person said they did not understand. Beckford, big up. Let us see. Adriel. Let us see if you guys can figure out this one. What would be the perimeter? Wait. Especially for the persons who are saying that they don't understand it yet. Let's see if you guys can figure out this one. The length is 6, that one is 8, and this one is 10 centimeters. Guys, remember to share it so other people can come on and we can share the joy, alright? Manning's eye, alright. Romain, big up, big up. Oh, guys, hold on. Part of this now show, wait. I think I have to come back. Yeah, the length of that is 6. So the length is 6, 8, and 10. What will be the perimeter for that? Tina Gibbons, welcome. No man, it's not area, you know. It's centimeter, so it's perimeter. Perimeter means the total distance around. Alright? Herbert Morrison Rossies, yeah. Big school that, you know. And them can play football too. Tasian says 24 centimeter. Moisha say I got 24. That's one of my students. Welcome, Moisha. I know you guys gonna do well. I'm not even worried, guys. Just relax and do your thing, alright? Gabriel say 24. Alright, so I think we're doing much better now since everyone is saying 24. It means that everyone figured it out. So perimeter is the total distance around. It's the total distance around. So we're going to add all three sides. So it's 10 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 6 centimeters. 10 and that gives us 18. 18 plus 6 gives us 24. Notice when it's perimeter, it's one dimension. So because it's one dimension, we don't put on a square. So when I was typing that square should be on it, we soon reach to the square part when we look at the area. Alright, Rodin book said Champion College. You know it's Champion, right? No Asian, right? You know, but they call themselves Champion. Alright, so it's Champion. Alright, yeah man, you can go there. Alright, so guys, let's look at the next triangle. Not a right angle, but let us look at another triangle. And you find the perimeter and then we'll move on to the circle. You guys always can watch the playback, but I love that you guys are interacting so well, alright? Who can tell me what type of triangle this is? What type of triangle is this? Without me even putting the angle. Begins with a vowel. Alright. Very good. It's an isosceles triangle. Not equilateral, Gabriel. Not equilateral. But it's an isosceles where two sides are equal and the base angles are equal. So these two angles are equal. So Mr. Benita teach, you know, simple things, you know, guys. But guess what? I'm equipping you guys. Oh, persons who wish to join my class for the curriculum base, let's go, guys. Let's go. Saturday we start back working. Saturday we start working. Dacian said 28. Kira said 28. Rodin said 28. Yeah, man, I know, it's English language, but the math says tomorrow, the prep performance start. Alright, everyone is saying 28. So let's see how we get the 28. So since perimeter means the total distance around, we add 10 centimeters plus 10 centimeters plus 8 centimeters. So 10 and 10, that's 20. And we add 8 to 20, which gives us 28 centimeters. Very good, guys. Very good, very good. Well done. Alright. And then now, I want you guys to look at the circumference. Who can type in what is the, how do we find the circumference of a circle? It's the same perimeter. But there's a special formula we use. So it's, guys, remember to share it to the teacher, share it to the classmate. Rodian say pi times diameter. What if you don't get the diameter, what would you do then? Say you don't get say you get the radius, how would you find it? Remember to like the video too, guys, so YouTube can recommend it. Alright, pi times diameter. It's not, Rodin, it's not pi r squared, that's the area. We don't reach at that yet. It's the area. And out of these two can work, guys. If you get the radius, it's 2 pi r. If you get the diameter, it's diameter times the radius. Or not diameter, times pi. So we are given radius of 7. So what we do, it's 2. We can take pi to be either 22 over 7 or 3.14. Usually they will tell you what they want you to use. Alright? So if they say use 2 pi r and use 22 over 7, they use that. Alright? So it's 22. So it's 2 times 22 over 7 multiplied by the radius. Now the radius is a line drawn from the center to the circumference. So this would be our radius. And all we have to do, look which can cancel. 7 can go into itself 1, 7 into itself 1. And then now to get it, we say 2 times 22, which is 44 centimeter. So if we should pull out this circle, the entire length would be 44. Yeah man, grade 5 do this too, you know. Christina says she don't understand, so we have to go over our next one then, alright? Alright, so guys, we're gonna go over our next one. We're gonna change the radius and we discuss it, alright? Yeah man, don't worry guys, don't worry. You're not gonna understand at first. This should have been a revision session. However, if you don't understand, I will teach you. That's how Mr. Bennett is, alright? All of you are my students. All of you are my students. Let's look at another example. And we're gonna go slower. So we are given a circle and we are asked to find the circumference or the length around. Alright? So it's the same thing as the perimeter, but we have a special name that we call the circumference. Alright, there's a special formula also, which is circumference equal to 2 pi r. But before we can solve it, we must know what pi means. Now, pi is equal to, is a constant, so at all times it's going to be 22 over 7 or 3.14. Now, how we get 3.14? We just divide 22 by 7 and we get that. So that's the next thing. So we know what is pi, we know 2, we know pi, know what r represent. R represent the radius. So it's the length from here to here, from the center to the circumference. That's what we call the radius. So we can put this as our r. So we have all three things now. We know 2, because that's a number. So at all times you're going to have the 2. Alright, next we need to know pi. Pi is 22 over 7. We get that, r 3.14. And the radius is any line drawn from the center to the circumference. Alright, so let's go. So the circumference is equal to 2 times 22 over 7, because that's pi, and then we times it by r, which is 14 this time. Tell me if you understand that now, guys. Someone say 88. Alright, if you are in Trinidad, this is equivalent to the SCA. Same thing. The SCA and the PEP is the same thing. Just a different country. SCA is Trinidad and Tobago, while PEP is Jamaica, but it's the same grade 6, alright? So yes, SCA Pearson. Big up from Trinidad. Much love. Alright, so this now, 7 to 7, 1, 7 to 14, 2. So notice we're going to multiply 2 by 22 by this 2 now. And that will give us 44 multiplied by 2, which is indeed 88 centimeter. Very good. Alright, so some persons were able to get it. Well done to you, well done to you. Christina Grant. Wasn't you just one who say you don't understand? Hilda Rose still don't understand. Alright. Guys, it's very difficult to learn it all at once. So let us look at another example. Christina, you'll have to go on some of my video and look at circumference one, alright? Where I do the entire video based on that. So this time, I'm going to make the radius be 3.5 centimeter. Find the circumference. Alright, more and more persons were able to get that one correct. Very good. Mr. Greedy, pick up yourself. Roger say, I understand now. Christina say, I got it now. Good, good, good. I'm a dunce. No, man, don't call yourself dunce, man. Don't you ever do that. Don't you ever do that. You have your ability, man. Trust me. I've taught persons from 10% to the highest proficiency. So you can't tell me that. You just need the proper guidance, and once you have the proper guidance, you're good. There's nothing that name dunce. Alright, so I'm seeing 22. Let's see if it's 22. Daniel Sterling, I do not understand. Alright, we're gonna go through one more. Let's see if that can help Daniel Sterling. Because we want everyone to understand. Daniel, you might have to watch back the video again when it ends, and so from the very front. Because when it just come on, guys, I'm seeing 22. I'm seeing 44. Nathaniel Robinson says, don't understand. Alright. So we're going to go through this one. Just keep liking the video and share, guys. Alright. So we know that the circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Right, so that's what we're going to be focusing on. 2 pi r. We know 2 is a number already, right? What's pi? Pi is a constant, which is 22 over 7 or 3.14. So we're going to use 22 over 7 since it's a multiple. Well, this is not a multiple, a factor of 7. And then no, well, not a factor, but it can go into 7 without a remainder. So we multiply by the radius, but the radius is no longer 7 or 14, it's 3.5. So you multiply by 3.5. Everybody see that? The first example, we use 7. That was the radius. Then we use 14. And then we use the 3.5. Alright, Roger Simpson said 22. Selena said 22. Alright, let's go. So we know that 3.5 into itself goes 1 time, and it can go into this 2. Alright, so now we have 2 times 22 divided by 2. And 2 into itself 1. Yes, guys, it is indeed 22. Let's see if you guys can do a more challenging ones now. Hope it more clearer for the persons who said that they did not understand. We're going to do one with the radius equal 21. And then now we're going to move to area, guys. I don't want to keep you guys all night. Alright, Kiza say a different way. Very good. Once you get the same answer, that's correct. Alright? And the principle is sound, that is fine. So let us change the radius now. It's a bigger circle now, so let us make the radius be 21 centimeter. Who will be the first to get this one correct? Let's go, let's go. Hit the like button, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button, you know. Rodin, you get it already. Rodian Brooks, you get it already. Well done. Hi. Alright guys, well done, well done. That was quick, that was quick. Very good. Let's look at the solution now. Destiny, we get 234. Alright, so circumference equal 2 times pi times r. We know that pi is 22 over 7 or 3.14. And we know that this is our radius. So we have everything now. We have everything we need. So it's 2 times pi, which is 22 over 7. They will tell you which to use. And then this now, the radius is 21. So this into this 1, 70, 21, 3. So it will be 2 times 22 times 3, which is 44 times 3. 3 4 is 12, 2 carry 1, 3 4 is 12, and 1 13. Alright, I love that you guys put the correct unit, which is centimeter. Alright, let's go guys, let's go. If you're on, just hit the like button, let me see what we did now, please. Alright, so guys, I did promise we're going to look at the area now. So we're going to look at the area of a rectangle. Alright, somebody said the first time they had a chance, but something failed. I'm going to look back at that comment. It said the first time. So head up area. What's area, guys? If you look at the past papers, you see that a lot of area come. It's a number of square units it takes to cover a surface or sheet. Alright, so that's area. Let us start off with our rectangle. If the length is 9 centimeter and the width is 5 centimeter, what would be the area of that rectangle? Rodian Brooks says length times width. Selena, Kim, 45. What's the correct unit, guys? Is it same centimeter or is no cent? Very good, Rodian. Alright, so the area would be length, which is this, times the width, which is this. So it's a simple multiplication, so it's 9 times 5, which is equal to 45 centimeters square. Remember, you must have the correct unit, very important. So it's 45 centimeters square. Alright, so let's go now. And figure out this one. So it's 2.5 5 centimeters and 1.2 centimeters. Find the area for that one. The length times the area. Hilda Rowe, big up, big up. Somebody says start back because you're late. You'll have to watch the playback because I'm not going to keep you guys all night. After we do the area, we'll look at the volume and then the total surface area. So you guys stay to the end, alright? So you can get 100% tomorrow. You guys get 3 centimeter for the area. This one is area, guys. Everybody get 3 centimeters square. Oh. Gabriel say 7.5. Somebody said 30. Then I'm seeing 29. Oh, we have a problem, guys. We have a problem. Guys, if you are late, you can always watch the playback. Alright? So when it ends, you can even watch the playback in the morning while you're going to school and all of that. Alright? Let's go, guys. Let's go. So, guys, I deliberately did that because I want you guys to be aware that they can give you decimals. Alright? This is only the total surface area, man. This one is just the area because this one is 2-dimension. With 2-dimension, we can only find the area and the perimeter of it. So let's go. So what we want to do, when we want to find the area for this, it's not a 3. We're going to ignore the decimal point and we're going to multiply 25 by 12. So you ignore the decimal point at first. Notice I say at first. I will show you what to do when you reach there. 2 times 5, that's 10. 2 twos, 4 and 1, 5. Put a 0 for all the space. 1, 5, 5. 1, 2, 2. Oh, a 3 for 2, you know. 5 and 5, 10. Yeah, it is 3. And then you have 2 decimal places originally. So it will be 1, 2. So it's 3 centimeters square. No, I didn't realize that it was going to be 3. My word. Alright. So yeah, guys. You guys are correct. You guys are correct. Dejan, welcome. Alright. Good job, guys. Let's see if you guys can do one more. Let's see if you guys can figure this one out. So the area of the rectangle is 30 centimeter square. That's the area. If the length is 30, not 30, oh Jesus. If the length is 30 centimeter, what is the width? So the area is 30 centimeters squared. The length is 10 centimeter. What is the width? All right. Adriel, you read it carefully. It wouldn't be 300. It wouldn't be 45. All right, let's just draw it. Remember, we multiplied the width times the length to give us the 30. All right? So we multiply the length times the width and it gives us 30. That's the first thing. That's what area means of a rectangle. It's the length times the width give us that. They went on further and give us the length. They said that the length is 10. So we know that it's 10 multiplied by a number and it gives us 30. Now ask yourself, what number multiplied by 10 can give us 30? Alright, I'm seeing 3. So we simply just divide 30 centimeters square by 10 centimeter. This cancels this, so we have centimeter leave. and then 10 into 30 goes 3 times. And it makes sense. This is 10 and this is 3. So the area would be 3 times 10. So sometimes they will try to make it work back way. Alright? Let's look at another one, but this time we're going to look at the square. Remember now guys, it's touching everything. After we look at the square, we look at the triangle and then the circle. And then we'll be ready to move on to volume and total surface area. Alright, you guys are doing super awesome. I think my teaching style fit you guys. So, good job guys, good job. So we look at the rectangle. Let us talk about the square now. What we know about the square? Somebody type that in the comment section. What are the characteristics of a square? What makes a square a square? What's the difference between a square and a rectangle? The square have all sides equal. So if one length is 5 centimeter, this second leg is 5 centimeter, and the third leg is 5, and the fourth one is also 5. Alright? So let's go. So say this one is 6 centimeter. What will be the area of this square? What will be the area of that square? Would it be 5 times 4? No. It would not be 5 times 4. Alright, well done guys, well done. It is indeed 36 centimeters square. Guys, don't forget the unit. When it's area, it's square. Alright, very important because it's two-dimensional. It couldn't be 3, it couldn't be 3. Alright, couldn't be 3. Oh, I think that person typed in 3 from a long time. It's actually 36. The entire area would be 36. Alright. So let's go guys. So we know that a square, we just multiply side by side. So this is equal to 36 centimeters square. What if I ask you this? If the area, we already did one guys. If the area of a square, well, it's too close. I don't want to confuse anyone. The area of a square is 121 centimeters square. What is the length of this square? So see if who can answer that one. If the area of a square is 121 centimeters, what is the area of the square? Alright, so already I'm seeing the answer. Very good. Very, very good. Listen to this one now, guys. Let's see who can fix this one. I'll show how you get the 121. It's what multiplied by itself give you 121. And that's 11. Alright? So 11 times 11, 121. Listen to this worded one. The area of a square is 144 centimeters square. Is rearranged in a rectangle. With width 9 centimeter. If the area of rectangle and square is equal, what is the length of the rectangle? Read it very carefully though, don't worry. So the area of a square is 144 centimeters square, and you rearrange it into a same rectangle. You pull up, square you pull up, and turn it into a rectangle, but the rectangle area is now same area. What would be the area of the rectangle to make the, if the width is 9 centimeters? I'm seeing 36, I'm seeing 16, I'm seeing 12. Okay, I left off the square, there John. Look for it's a 61. 36, 16, 36, 16. 16 centimeters square. Alright, let us look at it practical. I've seen quite a few answers. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. I appreciate it, guys. For the energy that you guys are putting in. So I really appreciate it. So let us draw it at first. And then it becomes so much easier. So guys, always draw a diagram once you can. If the area is 144 centimeters square, what would be the length of the side? Since it's a square, you ask yourself what number you can multiply by itself to give you 144. And that would be 12, because 12, 12. Alright. So let's draw the rectangle now. Based on what they said that it should have the same area, which is 144 centimeters square. They gave us a length, they gave us the width, and they say that's 9 centimeters. So ask yourself now, what number should be multiplied by 9 to give you 144? Or, as somebody said, Prendergast, 144 divided by 9. That will give you the answer. So yes, it is indeed 16. It would not be 36, it would be 16. Alright, let's see how we get 16. We're going to divide 144 by 9. And guys, remember division is a part of your thing, right? You have to learn how to divide. And guys, for the curriculum base, you guys need to sign up for my class so you can get 40 out of the 40. Alright, it's what's coming on the, it's multiple choice. It's different from the something there, the mental ability. So 9 into 1 you can't, 9 into 14 goes 1 time. Notice where I put my 1, I don't put it directly under the 1 but under the 4. 9 times 1, that's 9. And then we subtract. What is 9 from 14? That leaves 5. I'll carry down our 4. And then we say 9 into 54. 9, 6, 54. So yes, it is indeed 16. And it makes sense because 16 times 9 give you 144. Alright, so good job guys, good job. Oh, just call the number here guys. Just WhatsApp my number and you can sign up. It's very cheap. 876-549-2161. Alright, I'm gonna write it on the board after I rub off this one. But good job guys, good job. It doesn't matter where you are, it's online classes via Zoom and we cater for everybody, alright? So this is my number, and you will have class 3 hours per week, and when it comes to the exam, I give you some more time. That's how I do it. So if you really want to get 40 out of 40, link me up and we can work together, alright? So that's my number, 549. Oh Lord. It's not the light, guys. Hold on. Because I don't want to. And we're going to start this Saturday. I already gone through this stuff with my students, but I'm going to start over again. So everyone can get 40 out of 40. So it's 5492161. It's on my channel also. Alright. I want you guys to do this one now. The area of a square is 49 centimeter square. What is the perimeter of the square? So after this now, guys, we can move on to the right angle triangle. So the area of the square is 49 centimeters square. What is the perimeter? Alright, class start 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. or two classes, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. Sundays, 7 a.m., not 7 a.m., 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. or 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. So it's morning or evening. Whichever one works for you, that is fine. Alright, someone takes me from the live. Big up, big up. Saturday will be our next class. Saturday, 8 a.m. to 10 or 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. So is it a morning? Somebody said, boy, I'm in last. We're going to fix that. We're going to fix that. And thanks for the message. I replied. Alright, thanks so much. I think that's Gabriel Brown. Alright, let's see if we can shed some light on it. Alright, someone said they're having a little problem. First, let's try to draw the diagram. So it says that the area of the square is 49. So you draw one square. And you say to yourself, okay, the area, we multiply two number by itself to give you 49. It has to be a number by itself. Because a square has all sides equal. So it's a same number by itself. Which number you can multiply that number by itself to give you 49. Which number is that? You multiply it by itself, not by another number, but by the same number. Alright, Akeelia. See you say it now. Very good. Alright, so that will be 7. Because 7 times 7 is indeed 49 centimeters square. Alright, so if they give you the area, you just find the square root or what number multiplied by itself to give you the square. If they give you the length of the side, then you multiply that number by itself. And that is the case, of the square. The rectangle is length times width. Alright, so alright, let's go, guys, let's go. So we're gonna look at the right angle triangle, and then we can take the next half an hour or so, because I want you guys to go to your bed at least 9 o'clock. Get your adequate rest. After this, we look at the volume, alright? Tomorrow morning, while going to school, you can go back and look at this video, alright? You guys want to try first? What will be the area of that right angle triangle? Who wants to try? Yeah, I know it's tomorrow. Alright, I'm seeing 25. I'm seeing, give me a sec. Alright. So you have a sec, you have a sec. Big up Omika. That's how you pronounce it, Omika. Alright, I'm seeing 50 also. I'm seeing 50. Shan say yay. Why Shan say yay? Shan, you agree with 50? Or you disagree with 50? Let us look at it. Practical. Somebody say 11, 25, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Alright, let's go again, guys. Let's go. And I'm going to explain why the answer you get whatever. I'm seeing 1,000. Let's see. Now, this is a right angle triangle. We look at the area for a rectangle. And we say that the rectangle is length times width. If we should draw this, turn this into a rectangle, what will be the area for the entire rectangle? It will be length times width. So the entire rectangle would be 5 multiplied by 10, which is 50. But clearly, we can see that it's not an entire rectangle. We only want this portion here. Now, I want you guys to tell me what fraction would be this portion. Of the rectangle, this right angle triangle, what fraction does this represent? What fraction? Let me look in the comment section now. A half. A half. Very good. Right? It's only half. So the right angle triangle is nothing but half of a rectangle. Alright? So let us work it out. We already know that the entire rectangle would be 50. But we only want half of it. Half is the same thing as dividing by what number? If you have 10 bula and you want to share it in half, what number would you divide it by? 2. So it is actually 25 centimeters square. Notice I have my correct unit. I do not have the wrong unit. So we divide it by 2 to get the... Somebody say my head hot me. No man, your head not hot for that, man. It's very easy. Hello? All we're doing is the same thing. Find the area for the rectangle, but this time for the right angle triangle, we divide it by 2. That is all. Alright? So just turn it down like a right angle in a rectangle, and then you multiply, then you divide by 2. Alright? So the final answer for this one would be 25. So I want you guys to try one now. Try this one, guys. Try this one. Try this right angle triangle. I want you guys to get this one first, and then you move on to the circle. And then we can do the volume. I've been doing volume on my channel a lot, so guys, you can check out those videos, alright? What's the area for this one? Alright? Mr. Akira say. You see, like somebody else say, me no know you. No offense. Guys, you guys probably go to the same high school, so you guys might know each other, alright? Alright, so I'm seeing 50 centimeters square. I want to agree with that. So let us look how they get 50. Remember now guys, you can always watch a playback. So you turn it into a rectangle. So the area for the rectangle would be 5 times 20, the entire rectangle, which gives us 100 centimeters square. However, we know that we only want half because the right angle triangle is basically a half of a rectangle or a square, whatever unit, depends on how the units stay, right? So that would be half, so we divide it by 2, which gives us 50 centimeters square. Very good. This one now, guys, I want you guys to figure out this one. No, man, it's not high school work, this. It's not high school work, this. It's grade 6. Going into 7th grade, high school. Yeah, primary or prep. But I'm saying you guys will go to the same, might go to the same Campion, the same Immaculate, the same Arden. And you guys can say, remember when we link up on Mr. Bennett Live? Yeah. Remember I teach C-Sec to you guys. Let's see who can figure out this one. The area of right angle triangle so the area is 80 centimeters square. If the base is 20 centimeter, what is the height? So this time it twists. You're gonna find the height and not the. So you know the area to be 80 centimeters square, and you know this to be 40. 20 centimeter. What's this? What's the width? What's the height? What am I saying? Find the height for that one, guys. What will be the height for that one? Of course, you're bright, man. Nobody say you're bright. Don't ever say you're bright. You just need somebody to guide you. And then you put out the effort and you will go to the school of your choice. Good night. Okay, yeah man, yeah man. So it's Saturdays 8 a.m. to 10 or 5 p.m. to 7. On Sunday 9 to 10 or 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. So you can do either morning or evening. Alright, Saturday 8 to 10 or Saturday 5 to 7. There's 2 hours on Saturday. And then Sunday it's 9 a.m. to 10 or 5 p.m. to 6. But I'm live now, you know. You can come on my YouTube now, I'm live. Just come on YouTube now. I've been on this from 7. Well, each area now. Let's go on, man. Let's go on. So I'm live. You can check it out. Alright. Lennox Bennett. Lennox Bennett. Bennett. Lenox. Nox. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man. So you can watch back this video because we started from 7. So watch it now and then you can watch back it. Alright. So later. We talk, man. About the class. Alright. Alright, guys. So let's go. So we know that the area should be 80 centimeter. The length or the base is 20 centimeter. But we don't know the height. So let us set it up. We know that it's 20 multiplied by a number divided by 2 gives us 80 centimeter. So one way you can look at it, we can divide 20 by 2, so we get 10 times W equal 80. Now what times 10 can give us 80? Very good. 8 centimeter, right? So this now should be 8. So W is equal to 80 divided by 10, which is equal to 8 centimeter. Let's check if it's correct. We know that the area of a triangle, right angle triangle, is the base times the height and you divide by 2. So 8 times 20 divided by 2. 8 times that, 160 divided by 2. It is indeed 80 centimeters square. Alright? So very good, very good. One more, guys. No, man, it's not 20. It's not 20. Remember, I know one side is 20. Alright, the classes are Saturday 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Saturday 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. So it's morning or evening and it's 2 hours. Because it's PEP, I double the time. Because I want to double your scores. Alright? And then Sundays 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. So it's 3 hours per week. And as it comes closer to exam, I will give you some extra time. So we do it, you know, guys. Let's see if we can find the area for this one, and then we're going to move on to the area for the circle. But nevertheless, guys, very good try, very good try. Let's see what's going to happen here now. What will be the area for that one, of that triangle? What's the area for that one, guys? Guys, you can hear me? When you get 160, I give you the 16. The 10 is a distractor. I deliberately put it there to distract you. We only need the base, which is sitting on, and the height. Alright? If we were to draw the rectangle, this would not affect the area. It would be 8 by 4 nevertheless. The diagonal would not matter, right? So it's 8 centimeter times 4 centimeter divided by 2. 8 times 4, that's 32 centimeters square divided by 2, which is 16 centimeters square. So yes, you guys are correct. Well done, well done. Guys, this is a revision class. We can't go through everything, alright? We can't spend 1 hour on everything because you guys need to go to your bed at least 9 o'clock. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to look at the circle and then we'll look at volume. And then total surface area and you can get some rest. Alright? Big up Kemi, who want to go to Herbert Morrison. Guys, ensure you have your book out, taking notes and all of that, alright? And ensure you watch the video in the morning while you go to school. Whether in a taxi, or daddy a chauffeur you, or mommy, whatever. So the area for a circle is A equal pi r squared. This is dull. Wait, guys, wait. Your marker here now function, I call them use. So its area equal pi r squared. Same pi that we looked at with 2 pi r, which is circumference. But when you find the area, it's pi r squared. Let us put things in perspective. We are given a circle with radius 7 centimeters. And we are asked to find the area of the circle. So first we write back this pi r squared. That's how we find the area for a circle. And then now we put in what we know. We know that pi, if you're just joining, we look at the circumference. And what pi mean? Pi mean 22/7 or 3.14. So we use 22/7 multiplied by 7 by 7. Why by 7? R square means R multiplied by R. So if R is 4, it means 4 times 4, which is 16. Alright, so 70 itself 1, 70 itself 1. And for the final answer, we multiply. Somebody do this to me. 22 times 7 is equal to what? What is 22 times 7? 154. That is correct. And guys, it's not the pi that I eat. It's not the pi that I eat. Thank you. Somebody correct you and say not the pi. So 7 2 is 14. 4 carry 1. 7 2 is 14 and 1 15. So it will be 154 centimeters square. Alright, so just remember pi r square. Not the pi where you eat, but pi r square. Alright, very good. I might go live on TikTok tomorrow. Just remember the formula, I'm going to write it back. A is equal to pi r square. Pi times the radius times the radius. So whatever the radius is, we times it by itself. So guys, you know what I'm going to do? The radius is 14, find the area for that one. Let's go. Guys, it's not about doing something easier. It's about doing what is coming. So we just have to do what we have to do, alright? You can watch the playback tomorrow morning, man. Yeah, man, my TikTok is Lennox Bennett. Same name. You can follow me right now. I think I might go live on that one, since it will be much easier for you guys to be on TikTok. Yeah, man, the same name, Lennox Bennett. I have videos on it too, you know. But you know, I have other stuff on it, not just maths. Like announcements and all of them something. Yeah man, do what you have to do for pass. That is exactly what we have to do. To get an excellent grade, not just pass. Miller, we're revising. If we teach what is only one topic we could have taught. We're revising. You guys should have known this already, you know, so I'm revising, recapping. You want us to do 1 plus 1 and then that don't come on the test? It don't make sense. We're doing what is coming. Alright, Miller? Yeah. Sometimes easy guys don't get nowhere. You have to put in effort, alright? Alright, good. I know that some of you guys don't get it, and that is why I come on YouTube. Because my students already got it. Even students who sign up with me since the mental ability, a number of students watch my mental ability, text me and say, sir, I want to be a part of your class. I gave them the opportunity. I realized they did not do this. I go through it with them. Also volume. So I understand you don't go through it, but it's coming on the exam. Alright? I can't know why you didn't get to do it, but I'm trying to help. Alright? But it's only a very short time, so I can't do everything long. So it's area equal pi r square, but you can always watch back the video. Alright, so it's area equal pi. We can take pi to be 22 over 7 times 14 times 14. Number of persons got it correct, well done. 70.71, 70.2. So now we have 22 by 2 by 14. And this will give us 44 times 14. Let's go. 4, 4, 16, 6 carry 1, 4, 4, 16, and 1, 17. Put a 0 to all the space, you know, multiplying by 10. 1 times 4 is 4, 1, 4, 4. All these guys, you should have known how to multiply by a 2-digit number, right? So I'm assuming that everyone can do that. So it's 616, very good. I think someone made a mistake and put 608. You might want to recheck that. Esther Grant, that's correct. Mr. Grady, we're doing area, not perimeter. We don't mix them up, you know. Yeah, Rodian Brooks, that's correct. Rodian. Alright. So now I want you guys to try this one. Find the area of this circle with, I'm going to make the workout still. The radius is 3.5 centimeters. So now it's 3.5. Find the radius for that. Find the area for that one. With radius. Let's go, guys. Let's go. So just remember the formula. I see the answer already, you know. This is really quick. Alright, the number is 3.5 centimeter. Alright, the cost is very cheap because I reduce it. So it's only 4,000 for the entire month. And you get 8 classes. Only 4,000 Jamaican dollars. I used to charge 1,000 per class, but because I want my students to get highest proficiency, I drop the price because I don't want you guys to be upset because you don't have any money. Alright? So it's only $4,000. The entire month. Not week, but the entire month. 4 weeks. 8 classes. So students basically only pay about 33% of the real cost. Because on the money we are running down, guys. See, my son come on YouTube and I teach for free. Yeah, and the money we are running down. Just want to help the kids. Jamaica and maths is in a bad place. So it's 3.5 centimeter. Alright, let's go. Very good, guys. Very good. So I'm going to clear this now. Remember, guys, you can always watch the playback tomorrow. Alright? So remember, area of circle is equal to this. Pi r squared. So it's 22 over 7. This time the radius is no longer 7. It's 3.5 or 3.5. So it's 3.5 multiplied by 3.5. Alright, this into this 1, this into this 2. And we can say 22 times 3.5, which is the top part, divided by this 2 right here. Right? 2 into itself 1, 2 into this 11. So it would be 11 times 3.5. You can, whenever you're dividing by, multiplying by a decimal, guys, you can simply ignore the decimal point. So look how easy. We're going to ignore the multiply by 11. So it's 35 by 11, and then we put back in the 1 decimal place. So 1, 5, that's 5. 1, 3, 3. Now we multiply by 10, so put the space holder. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 3, 3. We add now, 0 plus that, 5, 8, 3. And then we add 1 decimal place, which is right here. So we put it right here back. So it's 38. You guys are correct. 38.5 centimeters square. Alright? So very good job, guys. I must stop you. Well done, well done. Alright, somebody say me give up. You can't give up, man. Guys, you cannot give up. That's not the spirit. That's not the spirit. Remember, catch what you can tonight. Watch the playback tomorrow while you're going to school. Alright? You should have learned this. You didn't. I understand. I'm actually revising, but you didn't learn it before, so that's fine. Try to learn as much as possible. Alright? If you didn't do area, then you probably didn't do volume either. Which, if you look at the past papers, you'd have seen volume, area, perimeter is basically measurement. Alright? So we're going to look at volume now. We're only going to look at the cube and the cuboid. Oh, you can bring a tablet to school. Alright. Wake up in the morning and do it then. Or if mommy and daddy go with you, give them to. Your parents can come exam with you guys. Just in the morning to make sure that you're alright. Alright, so we're gonna draw the cube. So this is how you do it. You draw a square first. Find the center and draw another square within the square. Alright? Then you draw in the end points. We can type in the comment section, what shape make up the cube? So we're looking at the cube first. What shape make up the cube? Somebody said then just start circumference. Oh God. I'm so sorry, guys. It's only a pity you guys didn't join my class because we're revising that. We do it already and we are do it again. Alright, square. Very good. So it's made up of squares. So what that means, if one side is 3 centimeter, the width is also 3 centimeter, and the height is also 3 centimeter. It's made up of squares. All lengths are equal. So if this is 3, this one is 3, this one is 3, this one is 3, this one is 3, this one, all of it is 3 centimeters, the length. The width, and the height. So to find volume, we find the area of the base. So find the area of the base, and then we multiply by the height. So I want you to tell me, how do we find the area of a square? Because it's made up of square, and then we times it by the height. So what is the area of the base? The base is what it's sitting on. What would be the area of that base? Alright, I think someone tell me the final answer. Esther Grant. I think you're telling us the final answer. Very good. Right, come on, man, just try. So what you do, you find the area for the base. So that will be 3 centimeters, since it's a square, by 3 centimeters, which is equal to 9 centimeters square. However, we must multiply it by the height. So it's the area of the base and then times the height. So what it means, on the base, because it's cube, you're stacking cubes. So on the base, it can only hold 9. But you're going to have 3 stacks of 9. So you're going to put, so we just multiply by 3 centimeters, which gives us centimeter cube. 3 nines, 27. So for this one, it would be 27. It's as if you're saying 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Very good, very good. Powerful gift. One powerful gift. Yeah, the area of the base would be 3 times 3, and then you times it by the height. Very good. Alright, So guys, see if we can get the video up to 100 likes. Just like it if you just come on. Alright, don't go nowhere. And guys, you can see them nice video and so you know. And not follow the person. Crazy. Alright, I want you guys to do this one. What's the volume of a cube with length 2 centimeters? Guys, we're going to end 9 o'clock, alright? We're going to look at the cuboid first. Because I don't want to keep you guys up too late. 8:39, so we have 20 minutes. Let's see how much we can get in that, alright? I see 8, I see 6. Which is it? Avenger. 8 centimeter cube. Very good. Alright. So let us go. Let's just look at it. And guys, don't be nervous in maths tomorrow. It's the same maths that you know you're gonna get. Don't worry about it. Relax. So find the area for the base, which is a 2 by 2 square. So the base is literally this. That's all, you know. It's a square. But it's a 2 by 2 square. That's all. But the height is also 2. And if you're watching the past papers that I've done, you would have seen one of this. It was an American paper, but it was very good. So it's 8 centimeter, 2 4 is 8. And notice it's cube. I love that about you guys. Already, you recognize that it's supposed to be cube. Alright, very good. Listen to this one now, guys. I want you guys to figure out this one. You don't know the length of the cube, but you know that the volume, I mean, nobody about the volume is 64 cm cube. What would be the length of the cube? Alright, Brooke say 4, Sheridan say 8, Kiza say 8, Lizzie say 9, it's 9 Adriana, Rodi and Brooke say 4, Esther Grant say 8, Martina say 8 by 8. Remember, you know, it's 3 numbers. The same number you multiply by itself 3 times. So just as we did 27, we multiply 3 by 3, that gives us 9, and then we times it by 3. H down say 4. Alright. So which number we can multiply by itself 3 times? Which number we can multiply by itself 3 times and give us 64? Let's just try 8. 8 times 8 times 8. Somebody has said, this is already 64, and 64 times 8 is a big number. So it is indeed 4. We find the cube root, which number multiplied by itself 3 times can give us 64. 4 times 4, that is 16, and we multiply by that gives us 64. So it is indeed 4. As remember, it's 3 dimensions, so the length, the width, and the height is 4. Alright? Akila, everything you say you give up. Lord. Lizzie, it's not 8 because 8 is 64, and if you times it by 8, you're going to get a big number. 64 times 8. Remember, the number multiplied by 3 times give you the answer. Alright? Thanks for the likes, guys. Appreciate it. If it's even 100 likes, that means that at least 100 people is here. I would feel good. If it's even one person, come on, if you could, a matter of fact. What's the answer for this one now, guys? I recently did this on my channel. This came on a past paper. Let's see. And guys, tomorrow, read the instructions very carefully. And do what they say. Don't do what they don't ask, do what they ask for. So this one is 1 meter. 1 meter by 1 meter. What's the volume for that? What's the volume for that? Alright. Some of you are very sharp. Some of you just seeing it for the very first time. But you know I'm catering for everyone. It is indeed 1. Very good. Because 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. And then times another 1 is still 1. But you get cm3 or meter cube. Alright. So very good, very good. It's 1 by 1. Alright. So let us see. Very good. Because 1 times 1 is still 1. So you get m squared, and then you times it by the m again. 1, and you get 1m3. Because remember, 1 times 1 is 1. Alright guys, we're going to look at the cuboid now. Because remember, you cannot stay up too late. You need a rest. From 9 to 12, that's 3 hours plus another from 12 to 6. If I can get at least 9 hours, that would be good. So what's the difference between the cuboid and the cuboid? What shape make up the cuboid? Type that in the comment section. Let me check in the comment section. What shape make up the cuboid? Very good, guys. Thanks for the like. Rectangle. Very good. So the cuboid is made up of rectangles. So let's just draw one cube, and then an example of a cube, guys, is the box at home, the aquarium. That's an example of a cuboid in our real life. Somebody love KFC. The KFC box. Hey, a cuboid that. Eh? When I say maths in a real life, when I love KFC. Right now after exam, you know that you're not going to tell the man I say, can I go to KFC? Alright, let's look at the dimension and look how to find the volume. So we have this to be 5 centimeter. The width is 3 centimeter. And the height is 2 centimeter. Not drawn to scale. Meaning the measurement is not 100% correct. But the principle is correct. Alright? Thanks guys, thanks. You guys are awesome. Don't worry man, you will do well tomorrow. Guys, we need 7 more likes. So if you know you're on, just like it 7 more times and we could get 100 likes. Alright? Alright, so to find the volume, it's the same principle. We find the area of the base and then the times by the height. But since it's a rectangle and we know that it's length times width, so the length is 5. So we're going to multiply it by the width. The width is 3. So let us find the area for the base. So it's 5 centimeters multiplied by 3 centimeters, which is 15 centimeters square. But we're not finished because on the base, it means when I line up all the cubes, because it's 1 by 1 cubes are lining up, you know. When I line up all the cubes, a 15 at the maximum can hold on that. But guess what? You're going to go 2 stacks high with 15. So when you stack 15, you stack another 15 on it because it's 2. The I tells you how many stacks you should have. So we multiply by 2. And that gives you 30 centimeter cube. Maths hard? No, it's not. You guys will do it. Alright. Very good. See the 30 flying in. Lizzie, how you get 20? Right, so she asleep. Wake up, right? Wake up, wake up. You have an exam to pass. Which school you want to go to? Let's go, let's go. There's no time to joke, man. Come on. Don't sleep it. Alright, so you guys gonna try this one now. I'm gonna change the dimension and you find the volume. Wake up, guys. Wake up from your slumber, man. I went to work. I came home. I had a class. And I'm still here with you guys, alright? Because I care about you guys' education, believe it or not. Some of you I will be teaching in high school. Some of you will be joining my class shortly for the curriculum base. Amton, alright, good. I have students at that school. Alright? Let's go, guys. Let's go. We know it's not easy, but you guys have to do what you have to do. I'm here to help as much as possible. I'm seeing 72 for everyone. I teach at a school named St. Mary's College in Above Rocks. That's St. Catherine. But I teach over 100 schools in Jamaica. Over 100, not less. Over. Notice, over. From Hugo Glenmuir, Immaculate, Campion, JC, Calabar, Georges, Harden, Meadowbrook, St. Jago, St. Catherine, Queens, Merle Grove, all of those schools. Calabar, every school I teach. St. Mary High. So after students from, no man, even students from states I'm teaching. And I'm teaching persons from primary schools and prep across Jamaica. Yeah, man, even the Caribbean. Persons from Trinidad in my class, Barbados, Bahamas, St. Lucia. All over, guys. All over. Alright? I care about people learning, so people will work with me. As how many teachers will be here now? We don't know. Alright? Let's go. So we find the area for the base, which is 6 centimeters. Since it's a rectangle, it will be 6 by 3. And that's 18 centimeters square. But we're not finished. We find the area for the base. Now we're going to times it by the height. So now we stack 18. It takes 18 to fill up all of that. But we have got 4 stack of 18. So we can multiply because we don't have to add. But we could have add 18 4 times. If you never want to multiply. Simple as that. Alright? But we're just going to multiply. So 8 plus 8, 16 plus 8, 24 plus that, 32. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 72 centimeter cube. We could have also said, let us multiply 4 by this. 4 8s 32. 4 1s 4, and that add 3 you get 7 cm cube. Remember, volume is the amount of space it takes up. So it is saying that it will take 72 of those to fully stack it up. Alright? Can we try one more, guys? Can we try one more? We have 8 minutes to go. Let's see if we can try one more. And this is how you draw it. You draw a rectangle first because it's made up of rectangles. Thanks to everyone who joined the live. Thanks to everyone who watched the playback. Thanks to everyone who shared with their teachers. Big up all the teachers across Jamaica who share my video with their students. Wish everyone all the very best. You guys know Mr. Bentingo already. I'm not a normal teacher this, alright? Alright, so we have 10 by 5 by 6. What will be the volume for that? Yeah, man, over 100 likes now, guys. Good, good, good. At least you know, sir, at least 100 person came on. Even though YouTube tell me say over nearly 1,000 persons came on so far. I haven't checked again, but I know many persons came on tonight. So thank you guys, thank you all for that. And guys, just remember to be calm. And you can share it with your friend. There's nothing wrong with sharing the link with others. What's the volume for that one, guys? We have 5 minutes to go. Let's go, let's go. You guys must get some rest now. Alright? I'm seeing 300. Hi. That's Jack. Welcome, Jack. Jack Michael came in. I'm seeing 300. Rudian, Sandra Brown. Ayana, Omika Palmer, 300. Kerika. What that? Tacticize. Adriana. Lizzie, only pay attention to Adriana. I'm going to see her type in the maths question. Omika Palmer. Yeah, Omika, big up yourself. Swagger Diva. Scott, Sandra Brown. Big up, guys. It's a pity I had CSEC class, guys, because I would have come on from about 6. But I did put up a video at 5, so you guys can go back and watch. It's one of my class that my students had. Alright, so we find the area for the base. Very good, guys. We still want you guys to at least one more. So it's 10 centimeter by 5. Adriana seen that? Which gives us 50 centimeters square. So guys, all who want to get the curriculum base 40 out of 40, if that's your aim, link me up. Tell your parents, I gave you guys my number already and time, everything. Alright? So it's 50 times 6, which gives us 300. Very good. CM cube. I love how you guys put on your cube because you know it's 3-dimensional. I love when it's area, you use a square because you know that it's area. And when it's perimeter, you just have your CM alone, which is awesome, guys. I'm so proud of you guys. Alright? There's one on it where we did this total surface area. Alright, let me write back my number. 876, that's the code. 549 2161. And I have curriculum based past papers. You guys can go through those as a take a break. Aim is to get 40 out of 40. That's last year only 2 persons did not get the highest proficiency. We have one more, guys, one more. Somebody saying all the best already, yeah. But we have one more. Let's go, let's go. Alright? Yeah, man. Some of you guys will be going to the same school. So as you go to your school September morning, the first thing you ask a student, you know Mr. Bennett? Just ask them that, alright? And then you just say, oh, me up on him live, you know. And you say, yeah man, they did on it too. And you say, why you name? I want to can track about it, alright? So let's go, guys. So the length is 7, width is 5, and the height is 8. It's a pity we couldn't go later, guys, but you guys need a rest your brain and thing, so you can be fresh tomorrow. Yeah, man, I wish you all the luck too. Oh, your neighbor name Mr. Bennett. Alright. A good people them? Tell me, you know. Because every Bennett supposed to be genuine. Thanks for all the compliment, guys. I couldn't get to read them. Thanks for all the messages. I will read them and WhatsApp back to you guys. Alright? Alright, well done, guys. So this will be the final one for today. But get some rest. So it's 5 times 7, which is 35 centimeters square, because it's centimeter by centimeter, right? And then we times it by the height, which is 8, 5, 40, so we carry 4, put on 1 0. 8 3 is 24, plus 4, 28 cm cube. Thank you all for watching. Mr. Bennett, appreciate you all. If you wake up early and you want to watch the playback, or if you want to go on the past paper that was posted at 5 p.m. today. Good night, Rodin Brooks. You did awesome as usual. Ayana Hamilton, big up yourself. I think Ayana is my co-worker daughter. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Big up Ayana. Jamila, big up. Somebody saying principal name Mr. Bennett. Big up your principal, man. Best of luck. Paul Brooks, thank you. Big up, man. Welcome, guys. Welcome. The live did active. You guys did well. You guys are ready. Alright? Just relax and do your thing. I'm already celebrating for you guys. Just go out and execute. That's all. There's nothing to be afraid of. Good night, guys. Good night. Thanks. Bye, Jack. Guys, follow Jack Gaming. It look like it's a game thing. Yeah, man. They will. They will. Prendergast say everybody will pass. Bye, guys. Bye. Big up, Ayana. Big up again, guys. Alright? All the best. You got this, guys. You got this. You got this. Somebody says, sir, you teach good. Thanks. I kind of rush it. But if you think me teach good still, thanks. I kind of rush it because I wanted to go through all the topics. But I'm able to do that. So thank God. Thank God. Alright? Thanks, guys. So join the class and it will be even better. Alright? Bye. Take care. Hello? Anthony's mommy, big up, big up. Anthony's is so awesome, man. She's really awesome. Big up. Thanks for giving me that awesome student. Thanks, guys. Thanks so much. Sabine, appreciate all of you, alright? Even who is not yet my students, big up. One love. And Miss Anne-Marie James, thank you, guys. Thank you, Miss, for all the papers. I did them last night and I uploaded them already so the kids can get the benefit of them. Guys, that's my vice principal that I was talking about, alright? She sent me the papers. So big up for me. Miss, we actually gonna finish now, Miss. So because I want them to get them rest and then they can be prepared for tomorrow. So we're not gonna keep them until many persons came out. Many persons. So and they did well. So I'm expecting all the best from them. Alright, Michael say he's a YouTuber, so you guys can follow him. When you're having fun, you can follow him. Yes, miss. Thanks. They should get their rest, yes. Hi, good evening. No, it's fine, actually. Okay. Thanks so much. The curriculum base. Yeah, man, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. Alright, thanks so much. I didn't get your name though. Okay, alright. Alright, thanks so much. Yeah man, I'm just gonna save your number and then we can, you know. No, I mean St. Catherine, but because it's via online, I basically teach the 14 parishes. So it doesn't matter where you are. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, thanks. Yeah, alright. Alright guys. See you guys tomorrow, alright?